What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the BJJ Lender. Today, we're going deep into a powerful financial strategy that's transforming how people manage and grow their wealth. This is known as the infinite banking concept, or IBC. It's not just a policy or investment. It's a new way of thinking about money and independence. And at Fortitude Strategic Solutions, we specialize in helping business owners leverage this strategy. Imagine becoming your own bank, guys, accessing capital when you need it, and building a legacy that lasts in your family for generations to come. All right, let's start with what infinite banking really is. It's a strategy that allows you to act as your own banker, primarily using a permanent insurance policy like whole life or IUL to build a financial system. This concept, pioneered by my boy Nelson Nash in his book, Becoming Your Own Banker, relies on the cash value of a permanent insurance type policy. As policyholders fund their policy, they create cash value that can be borrowed against for personal or business needs. Essentially, you're creating a bank within your policy that's always available, even at times when traditional banks may not be. Now, why would someone choose infinite banking or becoming your own banker? The benefit speaks for themselves. Number one, financial independence. You're no longer dependent on traditional banks or lenders. This is your money, available when you need it. Number two, tax advantages. The cash value grows tax-deferred, and policy loans are typically tax-free. It's a smart way to manage your taxes as your money grows. Number three, guaranteed growth. Permanent life insurance policies offer steady cash value growth, adding predictability to your financial planning. And number four, legacy planning. These policies come with a death benefit, so your wealth transfers directly to your beneficiaries tax-free, if structured the right way. It's a legacy building tool. Number one, becoming your own bank isn't just a catchy phrase anymore. It's a strategic approach. Here's how you choose the right policy with the guidance of a firm like Fortitude Strategic Solutions. You'll want a permanent life policy optimized for cash value growth. Number two, you got to consistently fund your policy. This is crucial, y'all. Regular premiums and additional contributions build up the cash value over time. Number three, borrowing against the cash value. When you're ready, using the policy's cash value for personal or business expenses. This is the money you've created, and it keeps growing as if it's untouched. Number four, repay loans with interest. Treat these loans seriously. Paying yourself back with interest strengthens your financial position and keeps your personal bank thriving. All right, with that being said, the infinite banking concept isn't just about today. It's about building wealth that lasts. Here's how it contributes to generational wealth. Number one, liquidity and flexibility. You have capital to invest, seize business opportunities, or cover emergencies while the policy's value continues to grow because you're borrowing against. Number two, debt control. Instead of paying high interest to banks, you're paying yourself back. So you're generating wealth rather than paying it out. Number three, legacy creation. The death benefit goes to your heirs tax-free, creating a built-in legacy for them. Number four, educational opportunity. By using this concept yourself, you can pass down the knowledge of how to grow wealth responsibly. Teach future generations to use these tools so they can benefit from the power of infinite banking. All right, guys, if you're serious about implementing the infinite banking, becoming your own banker strategy, you need to work with an advisor who understands the strategy and how to tailor fit it towards your goals. At Fortitude, we work with business owners, entrepreneurs, and investors to guide them through every step of setting up a permanent life insurance policy and building cash value. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach strategy. It requires a customized approach, which is why we recommend working with a seasoned professional to assess your goals strategically. Let's talk about the IUL real quick over here. With an IUL policy, the ability to access liquid cash becomes available as your cash value accumulates over time. This growth typically begins a few years into the policy, as premiums paid initially go toward covering the cost of insurance and building the cash value. The amount you can borrow against depends on your policy's face value and the accumulated cash value. Generally, you can access up to 85 to 90% of the cash value, which is linked to the policy's face value and your premium contributions. For example, if your IUL or whole life insurance policy has a face value of $500,000 or $500,000 and a cash value of $100,000 so far, you might have the flexibility to borrow up to $85,000 to $90,000, depending on the insurance company's terms. This flexibility lets you tap into significant funds when needed, all the while allowing the remaining cash value to continue earning interest based on market index performance. This goes towards the IUL, making it a reliable strategy for funding business growth or life expenses. Infinite banking gives you control over your finances and offers you the opportunity to build wealth that lasts beyond your lifetime. It's about creating a financial legacy while having the freedom and flexibility to grow your business and your investments. For real though, no shade, but rookie advisors be jumping straight into jacking up the face amount to pump up their commissions. If you really want to play it smart though, team up with your boy Sham, or any seasoned advisor for that matter, who knows the ropes and how to structure be your own banker policy properly. They're going to shrink the face amount as much as possible while cranking up the cash value for you. If you're ready to explore this path, y'all, reach out to your boy Sham at FortitudeStrategicSolutions.com for personal and professional assistance. And don't forget to smash that like button and ring that bell and comment if you found this episode helpful. Let's take control over financial futures, y'all. For more financial wellness, give your boy a follow. Please give your boy a follow on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram at the BJJ Lender. I promise to provide you with value to navigate your journey with these. If you don't hit that like button and smash that bell, though, I'm going to choke you out. With that being said, stay empowered, stay growing, stay strategic, fam. It's your boy Sham, logging out. Peace.